Hello everybody, Bronson here with Bright Star Auctions here in Middlebury, Indiana. Today we're showing you a 2004 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. This of course is powered by the 6.6 liter Duramax diesel engine, automatic transmission behind it. It does have the Floorshift 4-wheel drive. As you can see here, it's the extended cab, does have the third and fourth door. It's what would be called a work truck, so it's got the hard interior on the inside. It is an excellent running truck. It shows up with 318,000 miles. It does have a rebuilt title, but that was from roughly 20 years ago. Had a little front end collision, but it's been taken care of. Again, that was about 50,000 miles on the vehicle. Has been running great ever since. Take a look here at the inside. Very clean interior. Truck's been well cared for, well taken care of its whole life. Give this a listen. Selling on April 26th, no reserve auction to the highest bidder. We'll see you then. Thanks.